Okay, hi guys, so we're going to be playing the Black Cat update of the Baby in Yellow. I know I have a lot of videos of this, but, okay, let's see, it's been a while. Chapter, okay. Ooh, I know what I'm doing, okay. We'll just start here, okay? So we're going to play the Black Cat update. I know it came out a while ago. I haven't actually had the time for it. We're going to turn the volume up here, okay? Because... oh my god. Oh, I forgot that oh my god, yeah, we're taking everything off. Oh, the baby can wear. I don't want doctor skin. We don't, oh, okay, we can leave those actually. Okay, good. Actually I need to get to our place, like, where's our place? No, this isn't the right place. You guys want to go as I fail? Yeah, because this is that random person's house. Okay, we're going to go to chapter select. And we'll go to night 1. That might be it. Blah, blah, blah. We've played this before. I've played this before. If you haven't watched my other video of me playing, you should go watch it. It's a good video. Ha ha ha. Oh, see, there's little blue paw prints in case you didn't see that. See, there's blue paw prints. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're gonna climb the ladder. There's the update, and I haven't played it. I don't know what it looks like because I haven't watched anyone, so this is purely me, myself, and I. Oh, I don't want to get copyrighted for this one. It's a little loud. I'm gonna turn it down. Okay. Oh. Wait, I can't remember. Let's see what happens because I don't really know what this means or what. So. Black cat approaches. Oh. Hey. Okay, so what does it mean? Well, this is certainly creepy. I really don't know what the black cat thing means, because now that it's here, I don't know what to do. It says soon, it already passed. Let's see if we can walk around and find clues or whatever. Or maybe it is. Oh! Wait, there's blue paw prints on the floor! Oh, that's leading into there. Okay, let's see if we can find any clues anywhere. Because I don't know what it means. Will we find the black cat somewhere else? That door's locked. Let's figure this out. Oh! Come on, baby. Aww. I wonder if something different will happen now that the baby is wearing this. Oh, we can put the baby in the oven. Why? It's fine. We should leave. It wants us to, but Is this... I don't know if this is all the update is, but we're gonna try cooking. Where did that come from? We're gonna just try throwing the baby in the oven. Oh my god. Oh! I hope the baby's okay. Do you want to come with me? Doesn't actually want us to stay here, so... Oh, we don't want to leave you in a stinky diaper. I guess I'll take care of you. Oh. We already know what's gonna happen. You're gone. Yep. Called it. So I don't actually know if anything new is gonna happen or what. Maybe the baby's gonna have a cat plush now. What if I brought the baby with us? Like, baby, did you know you had this whole place up here? This is the black cat. Okay, whatever. I actually don't know if it's anything like fun or crazy, and I don't know. So we're gonna play a little bit. Maybe the baby will have a cat plush now. Okay, well, the storybook is... Oh, it is the cat anyway. What if I just slam dunk the... Oh, I can't pick you up now anyways. I don't really want to read. You can read yourself, can't you, baby? Good night. Let's see if there's anything, because it really wants us to escape. Is there anything new in the toy box? The doctor follows you, so, is that really it? Is that what the black cat update is? Is just a new outfit? Might have to search it and give you info when I come back, because I really don't know. Let's go get the baby real quick. Why is there a balloon? Hey, baby. Please tell me you're in here. I can't pick you up. Oopsies. Well, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I might, I guess I'll just play this a little bit more to see, but I don't know what all there is. That's creepy. And so I don't know. I don't want to, like... Chapter select. Exit! Just kidding. Maybe Pikmin has something? It is... Oh! What did I click? Update. That's a bit embarrassing. I'll be right back, actually. I was a bit dumb. I didn't realize the game had to be updated. It didn't. So that's a bit embarrassing. There's merger, but this is the new thing, and we don't have cat. I think this video might just be cat or curiosity. I'm not quite sure yet. Depends how long it takes. If it takes a while, I'll make a separate video for laboratory and collisions. We have sheep, rabbit, and now we need cat. So let's do that. Curiosity. Killed the cat. Oh, no. Oh, that's not good for sure. Across the shore. Distant lands. Enter the apartment. What apartment? Oh, don't mind that. Sorry. That's a bit embarrassing. That's not really, but, I wonder what's our... Is that open? Dang it. Okay, this is cool. Oh, what is that? Is this why I said... Where's the cat? Bruh, where's the baby? I know the baby's psycho, but do I have, like, a limited amount of time to follow the cat before I die or something? Where did... Oh, God. I'm assuming the cat went upstairs, and I really feel like I might have a limited amount of time, or it's just scaring me. And that door is still locked. That's crazy. Oh, God. Oh, God. That scared me. Why is it locked? Oh, God. We do have to go up into the attic? That seems like the worst place to go. But I want to assume that the cat went up here. It did. Look at the kitty. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh my God. The baby! The baby, no! Oh my God. I remember this place. Look. Why am I so slow? Is it just me or do I feel really slow? You just gotta like make it long and dreading. Hi, kitty. No, not the voice things. Run, run, run. Oh. Curiosity. Quick as you can, follow me. Through the portal, don't let him see. I'm assuming we're not letting the baby see. Because that baby... Whoa. I love I love it so far. I love the effects and everything about it. It's really cool and feels more detailed in my opinion. Oh god, the baby has the red eyes. Oh, that symbol is a very... Oh, I'm gonna turn this up real quick.
June 2nd, log 940. Painting travel continues to be the best way to journey between worlds. I must stay hidden from the child. I risk the same fate as the others. It's hard not to worry about being followed back, though. Best not to dwell on it. Log end.
That's not... I'm gonna turn it back down, but that's not a very good thing to know. Once we... Are we not gonna escape the bait? Open the drawer. What's in here? And there's nothing. That's great. Whoa, there's so much. I just want to take it all in. Pick up a book. We're gonna put the book in the drawer because we'll probably need it later. Can we pick anything else up? No, we're gonna put the book in the drawer. I'll just leave it right there. Oh, I want it in the drawer. Perfect. We'll be right back because I don't know what that's probably gonna need. Take a wrench, a screwdriver. I don't know what if I need those for. We'll take a screwdriver, stabbing, or that. We'll take the screwdriver. We'll leave all on the floor for now. I don't know if I want to press the button. There's so much to see. Glowing like mushroom, a reel of cable, a screwdriver, a book, a hammer. No baby allowed. Good. I don't want the baby allowed. Oh. What's in there? Can I... Socket. Can we... A reel of cable. I don't know what we... Grips and nuts and bolts. I don't know. Whoa. A rubber duck? Might attract the baby. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh god. Another recording.
September 14th, log 821. Plant life continues to grow out of control since Newt's disappearance. Research heavily impacted. Frustration building. Feeling lonely. Log end.
There's the cat. Okay. That doesn't sound very good. Another screwdriver, nuts and take an oil can. Upper console. Oh. No! Did I do something? Oh, it's this thing that... Okay. Can I, like... Real quick. Do we open the elevator... Do we follow the cat or go to the elevator? I'm gonna see if we can follow the cat. Or if the cat's hiding. I think that's just the cat's special... Ooh. Special hideout for your cat? Oh! Oh. Oh! Oh, I feel kind of dumb, but not anymore because I just realized what we have to do. I told you that book. The book was useful. Right there. 2. 1. Where would that book go? There's the book right here. We need a 2. Oh, is there extra books? So that's 2. We need a 3. I wonder if this one over here is 3. Because that... Oh, and obviously, please, please, please. It's a 3. No! I need the book. That's a 3. Let's go. And I don't trust, so I kind of want to bring, like, something. Like a rubber ducky. Because I'm scared. Ooh, thanks, cat. Where'd the cat... I'm not gonna question that, actually. What is down here? Piece of coal. It's welded shut. Oh my god. I don't want to turn on, and I don't want to disrupt it. Furnace. Locked. What do I do? Where's the cat? Investigate the boiler room. Well, I investigated, and I picked up a piece of coal, and it wants me to turn it, I bet. I can turn it again. I'm gonna do it. I can't open this door or anything. Do you think like... Oh! Do we need to feed the furnace a bunch? Let's make it explode. The baby would be proud. That's not a good thing if the baby is proud of me, actually, but we're doing it anyways. Yeah! Let's go! Is that a good thing? I don't know. Do we want to bring that duck? Nah, we're fine. Oh god, it's creepy down here. Can we... Oh, we're a little tight down here. Can I open this? No. Let's keep going. Oh my god, that was oh, my heart just leapt at... Not you, doctor. God, my heart just leapt out of my body. Oh, I'm so sorry. I keep getting notifications. Wait! I don't know if that was a good idea. The cat's gonna kill me. What the heck? No, we're gonna die! Bruh, I don't know, but I don't trust it. Someone keeps banging on the door. I can't do nothing. Okay, please don't die. Please don't die. Oh. Okay. Can we... Let's go. Oh, hey! I can make my way back around now. I don't know if the cat's gonna leap out again. Okay, it didn't. So the cat wants me to follow. I still hear that banging noise. Can we go further? Oh, we can't. I was supposed to do that. Good. Oh, dang it. I feel dumb now. Dang it. I wish we could walk faster than this. Why did I just... I'm not even gonna question it. I don't trust that banging noise I'm hearing, though. Come with me, ducky. Actually, it's bad that... We're gonna, like, mark that I have already been in this room. We're gonna explore the other room because that banging noise is really scary. Another recording? Okay, let's play it.
March 1st, log 334. Newt is proving to be one of my most valuable creations. His help harvesting the more dangerous specimens has been a particular boon. Although I do need to address the battery design flaw. The poor soul just keeps collapsing. Best keep some spares on hand. Isn't that right, Newt? Look at.
Dang! So this guy's crazy. He's trying to... Well, we don't know about crazy. Get ink cartilage. Broken battery. Oh, there's batteries. Fresh ones. That's nice to know. I really don't want to investigate the noise. I'm scared, but whatever. We're gonna go closer to the noise. Something's gonna jump out. Oh, no. Is that where the cat is? Hi, kitty. Book. Flora of Carcosa. I hope I said that right. Who knows if I... Oh, I'm gonna put... I want... Wrong button. I want that baby. Oh, God. So we... It looks dead. Well, this plant got a little out of control. Hi, kitty. I know where batteries are. We were smart. And we know where to go. Oh, that light scared me for a second. Okay. Sorry if I sound loud at all. I really don't know if I'm loud. I don't know. So, if I am, I apologize. But you just turn down your volume a bit, I guess. Yes! Come back to life, please. Oh, where am I supposed to put you? I want to bring you with me. Are we supposed to follow the cat? Take robot upstairs for repair. Oh, I didn't read that. Why did I forget that? I have no idea. It's like the last thing I need to forget. How do I get upstairs again? Oh. Oh. Bruh. I'm dumb. Okay. Plug it in. Is this where you go? Aha! You're new. Had a feeling you might have been a robot. Tap. Oh! I'm sorry. Oh. Okay, I didn't know what I was doing at first. No! Wait. I didn't mean to click it the second time. Ugh! This is a little frustrating. I've played Flee the Facility before. I should be good at this. This is really annoying. Yes! I did it! Let's go! Don't ask. I mean, it took me a lot of tries, but I thought you were plugged in. Whoa. You need ink. Okay. Is that downstairs? I think that's downstairs. Aha. Making me run. Oh! New, are you okay? That gave me a heart attack. Find ink for New. I just did. Aw. What is that now? Ew, are you farting? Attach a new boot. Where do I get a new booster? Booster. What would that look like? Can I put you still up here for now? Wait, no! No, wait. I don't want to have to get him flung off. I'll catch you! I caught you. Okay, so where's... I don't remember reading anything about a booster. Or seeing anything like that. Can I take a reel of cable and like how... Newt. A little frustrating. I don't know. We can't... I don't want to press that button. It scares me. What happens if I put new on here? Hey, thank you, buddy. Might be able to find you a booster down here. Ooh. I'm not going in there yet, actually. A buck. I wonder if that'll put a new booster on. I don't know. If you guys are just like... If you guys know, tell me. I'm just kidding because... Ooh, let's listen. Maybe that... Why do you have a... Ooh, baby plush then. We'll throw it. If it says no baby allowed. I don't like... Whoa, that's a broken... Oh no. Okay, we're gonna play...
January 22nd, log 285. My dolls have confirmed apartment 10 as a new yellow site. The baby and his sitters so far remain unaware of my activities. Is it egotistical that I made the dolls look like myself? Maybe, but who's to judge? You. Log end.
So this is what he looks not like that. That's not what I meant. Fix. Okay. So this is the person that created looks like because that's doll. Is that the doll? Ooh. It's a bit creepy. I wonder if the bot goes on there, but I don't want to check that yet. I want to look around first. Yes! I found the booster! Can we just put it on you now? Actually, drop. I want to look over here real quick. Please. Okay, it's just sitting right there. We'll leave it there for now. We might need it later, but not right now. Feels nice not having to deal with the baby, and I really don't know how long this... Oh! Is that what the thing down here is for? So I can put... Come here. Uh-oh. Can I read you from here? Do we know of anything that can fit in a socket? Or else how am I gonna put... Let's look down here real quick. Or am I... Did I not see it? I don't know, to be honest, but... What can go in a socket? Is anything down here? It's creepy over here. Will anything help me? Help me. I'm gonna guess no. Okay. Maybe this is taking unnecessarily long, maybe, but I have no idea. And I did not watch any like videos before this. So I mean, yeah, I don't know what can go in a socket. Dang it. Oh. No elevator for us. Is there another way I can get over here? Oh, I'm so dumb. We needed it now, not later. Almighty doorstep. Door stopper. Use door stopper. Yes, we can. And then you use it, right? Is that how we... my god. Oh god. What do you mean? Put the sign back up. What? No! Oh god! God, please tell me the baby's not figuring out how. No, are we supposed to go in the elevator? I want a ducky! God, you guys just want me to go, don't you? How do we repair that? Wrench. That's right here. There you go, Newt. I want to say, let's make a guess. Screwdriver. He's gonna need new nuts and bolts, though, actually, ain't he? Come on, let's make a guess. Gasoline? Where did we see that? Right here. Did I accidentally click something I shouldn't have? That baby is terrifying and I hate it. Oh, that's for you. What do you want? Bro. Hammer. We saw that where? Where did we see the hammer? Was it down or was it up? There's gotta be one up here, right? Right? Oh, they're right here. Bro, you're making me feel sad because I thought I could be like, do something. Okay, I wanna guess. Because I need bolt next. That baby's still there, right? God, the baby's getting closer and it's actually really scary. Can I make a guess? I don't want the baby to get closer. Hurry! Oh, it's working. Okay, we're gonna take the screwdriver. God, that's terrifying. Okay, let's go. Wait! Oh, we want to go up? No! No, not the baby! The baby's not supposed to be allowed here. Okay, so I'm gonna just make the laboratory a different video because, yes. So, okay, this is really fun, and that was really cool, and I will see you guys in next time I play laboratory, or if I make a video before then, but I might not. I really don't know if I will. I'm taking it a little fast, so I hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy the video, and yep. Enjoy. Oh, where am I?